In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video on ClickFunnels. We'll walk through the entire process from grabbing your video link all the way to saving your changes inside the funnel editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video on any page in your funnel and customize how it behaves for your visitors. First, you'll need the URL of the video you want to embed. Go to the site where your video is hosted, for example, YouTube. Find the video you want to use. On the row or preview of that video, look for the 3 vertical dots on the right side. Click those dots to open a small menu. From that drop-down, choose the share option. A pop-up will appear showing the video's URL. Simply copy that link. This is what you'll paste into ClickFunnels later. Next, log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Funnels. Click that, and you'll see a list of all the funnels in your account. Choose the funnel where you want to embed your video by clicking its name. The funnel editor will load, and in the center of the screen, you'll see the pages that belong to this funnel. Hover your mouse over the specific page where you want to add the video. When you hover, an edit button should appear. Click Edit to open that page in the editor. Inside the page editor, navigate to the section where you'd like your video to appear. Move your mouse over that area and look for an Add Element button. Click it. A panel or drawer will slide open on the right side of the screen. In that drawer, click on the media category on the left panel, then choose video from the list of elements. You'll now see a video element appear in your live preview. Click directly on that video element. Another settings drawer will open on the right side again. Look for the section labeled Video Settings. In that area, you'll find a text field where you can paste the video URL you copied earlier. Paste the link there, and ClickFunnels will connect that video to the element on your page. After linking the video, you can fine-tune its behavior. Adjust options like enabling video controls for your viewers, turning autoplay on or off, using lazy loading for performance, blocking pause if needed, managing branding, and choosing the aspect ratio. You can also define an optional width and height, and set a title if that's available. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This ensures your changes are stored and your video is now embedded on your ClickFunnels page.